Funny defense failed. I'll show you a replay. I think it was this one. Failed twice. Go away. He started attacking from the top. Should have put some giant double bombs there or something. It does get close though. The fuck did the king come from? What the fuck? I forgot I was recording. Well, that was my king, never mind. I thought it was the enemy's king. Like, where the fuck did it come from? Yeah, those stupid goblins just went in there and took all my loot. Then the heal spell. Oh, no heal spell. Why would he throw a free spell right there? Makes no sense. Just loot. Yeah, this one similar to that, but it's just all goblins. They go straight for the loot and there's no defenses, so it's all taken away. Well, that's it for this video.